All right, today I have a Honeywell Home thermostat, and I'm going to show you how to turn off the Honeywell Home thermostat. Now, this is the Honeywell Home thermostat right here. As you can see, that there are temperatures on here to show you what the temperature is. Now, in order to turn it off, you want to go through the controls, okay? So you have a lot of things on here. A lot of people will point you to this right here as cancel, but that does not turn it off. That just cancels whatever program that you're in. But you'll want to get back to the controls on how to turn it off. So I'm going to go back to this main screen. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through here, and you're going to see all of these selections right here until you get to this right here where it says system. I'm going to go to that, and I'm going to press that. And you see how it went to off? That is turning the system off. So if I toggle through it, I go to cool, toggle through it, go to heat, toggle through it again, and it goes to off. And when I go to that off setting, that is indicative that the entire Honeywell Home system is currently off and will not blow air through the vents right now while it's in the off setting. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.